Let's make a delicious meal today, sure to please the entire family. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we get together each week in the kitchen and make delicious recipes. Today we're going to be making smoked paprika chicken and Brussels sprouts. Let's begin by making a delicious paste for our chicken. To your mortar, we're going to add 4 cloves of garlic, and then you're going to want to reserve the rest of the cloves for later. Next, let's add 1 tablespoon of minced rosemary, and this contains manganese, which may help support your metabolism. Plus, it's going to add a wonderful flavor to the chicken. 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt, and then 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Smash and grind up your ingredients until a paste forms. So if you don't have a mortar and pestle, just mince up your garlic and combine with the rest of the paste ingredients. Add in 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika and then grind it into your paste. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of honey just for a touch of sweetness. Last, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and then mix it together really well. Brush a baking sheet with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then place about 2 pounds of either skinless, boneless chicken thighs or chicken breasts onto the sheet. Brush or spoon the paste over the top and the bottom of each of the chicken thighs or breasts, being sure to cover the chicken completely, and then set aside. Now let's add a little bit of green to our recipe. To a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add in 1 pound of halved Brussels sprouts. So you just want to cut off the end and then slice them in half. The rest of the garlic cloves left over, and I don't know, this is anywhere from 10 to 12 cloves, but you're always welcome to add in more or less, just depending on what your preferred tastes are. 1/2 cup of roughly chopped up onion or shallot. I'm using shallot. And then you want to cut them to be about the same size as your garlic cloves, and this is just going to allow everything to roast evenly. Drizzle on 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or avocado oil. Drizzle that right on top. And then last, I have 1/4 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Toss your ingredients together to coat evenly. And then add your Brussels sprouts onto your baking sheet and spread them out, placing your Brussels sprouts so that they're cut side down. Bake in your 450-degree preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until your chicken temperature reaches 165 degrees. Okay, let's give these chicken thighs a taste. That chicken is super moist and so flavorful, as are the Brussels sprouts. It is a little bit spicy, so if you're sensitive to the cayenne pepper, maybe reduce that just a little bit. And then also, I think next time I would go ahead and roast this not so far down in the oven. So put that oven rack either in the middle or maybe just a little bit higher halfway through, so that we're really making sure that we get some of that crispy on the chicken and the Brussels sprouts. It is absolutely delicious. I hope you give this one a try. You can really play around with it with different kinds of vegetables, but the basic flavor is amazing. Give this one a try. Thanks so much for being with me today. Take amazing care of yourself, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen with another delicious recipe. Take care. Bye-bye.